In the following, next object is a spoon, which place it and set it on holder in wireframe mode. Then deactivate subdivision surface, and by right click choose shade auto smooth. So we make sure select all faces front of a spoon, and by press G and Y move faces forward. And also, like to previous objects, we create two loop cuts by Ctrl R, and we move them in Y direction to forward. Now we activate wireframe mode by Shift and Z. Then in the edit mode, select all faces by A key and move it in direction into holder and set it. So select front faces and move them to forward as far as B out of the holder. Also same previous two objects, by press S key, scale it in X direction until be in right place, and also select holder, then add more boolean modifier and select a spoon to empty it. So as you can see, by hide a spoon, we make a spoon space into the holder. Also by press Shift D, we get a duplicate of a spoon and move and set it into the holder. Then if it needs more editing, by move and scale faces in different directions, we make better it until get the best mode and situation.